Hello, welcome back to another video. So this is the report question. This is a basic journal question basically, and why I am solving this question or why I'm trying to solve this question because you got a better idea why we have to use some case statement and why these the case statement are so powerful. Okay, so first understand the question. So the two table we have the student and the grades. Okay, and the students table contain three column ID, name and marks. Okay, and the grades table contain three column grade, minimum marks and maximum mark. Okay, like if any student got between 0 and 9, he or she get a grade 1. Okay, same for the others. So the question is, Ketty gives EV a task to generate a report containing three columns. Three columns are name, grade, and mark. Ketty doesn't want the name of those students who received a grade lower than 8. Okay, the first condition. So listen, what I am trying to here, what am I am trying to do or why I am creating this video. Always take a pen and a paper. Okay, write down each table name, each column name under the table name. Okay, condition point wise. First condition, the grade lower than 8. Okay, and the name of those students who received a grade lower than 8. Don't want. So what we want? The grade greater than 8. So always write condition, table name, column name, then match what you want. These are the condition. Write a dummy code, like a simple code like this kind of code we have to use in our query. Okay, so what next? Always remember this thing whenever you're trying to code, not the SQL code, any DSA question, any coding question. Always carry a pen and paper, then only you get a better idea how to solve. Our motive is not to solve any question. Okay, just show you some sort of answer like this is the question, this is the answer. My task or what I'm trying to do to show or to you to understand like how to solve any question. We make mistake, we understand why we use something which is not working in a particular question. Okay, so if you listening what I'm trying to say, you good to go. And next, higher grade are enter first if there is more than one student with the same grade. So they want the report must be ordered by grade in descending order. And the order those particular student by the name alphabetically and the name in ascending order. So if the grade is lower than 8, use null. Perfect. So here we use our case statement and the name and list them by their grade in descending order. This is the same thing. Okay, so our task to find name of those only grade greater than 8, else null. Perfect. And order by grade descending and name ascending. Okay, so this is the basic condition and we write a dummy code here, so got a better idea. So now we are extracting all the required column. So name, marks, and now if you think someone try to make like, if we the first thought come in our mind like this is the ID, this is the grade, this would be common, that is why they give the two table. Okay, so you try to match this and somewhere you find out the marks which between minimum marks and maximum marks. If there, then provide the grade. Okay, so but now you can think about grade integer can be in anything like 100, 200, 300, but the grade should be 1 2 3 to 10. Okay, so this not going to work. So what we are doing, we have the grade system here. Okay, in form of table, like the grades table. So what we or what I'm trying to do here, we create own grade system based on this, so that in a query we got name, marks, and the grade. Okay, this is the simple thing we are going to do here. So case when the marks between 0 and 9, then the grade 1. Okay, same. Let's copy this. Perfect. 5, 6. Okay, perfect. So 0 to 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or we can say 100. What do you think? 90 to 100? Yeah. Then 1, grade 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So we copy this detail here like 89, 19, 100. Okay. So now we have our grade system in a like and as grade from the students table. Okay, so now run this and let's see. So basically we have perfect, we have a name, marks, and the grade system. Okay, follow with grade, we have three column: name, marks, and grade. Perfect. So now our idea is to apply the condition where like the grade, if less than 8, then the name should be null. Okay, so we make this table as a temporary table. Okay, so this basically you can think like you have a table name CTE with which contain three column: name, marks, and grade. Perfect. So now we are going to use a CTE table. So select case when grade, yeah, grade is less than 8. Perfect. Then what? Then null. Else name. Perfect. And as name from CTE. And the order by, don't forget about the order by. So order by the grade, what? The grade in descending order, and name should be in ascending order. Perfect. So now run this and let's see whether it is working or not. It should be work. Okay, okay. What is happen here? Null, 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 null. Okay, okay. From CTE order by. Okay, so let's see the output. Okay, okay, okay. They want output in name, grade, and the marks also. So name, comma, grade, comma, marks. Perfect. Now run this. Perfect, perfect. Now submit this code. So, like, I know this is very simple question, but um, you have to think broadly. Broadly means so many student or so many the working profession, not the working professional, the student who are trying to solve SQL question, they think about like we have this table, why we are not using this table? We are using this table as a preference or as a reference. Okay, But without any column, as you know, the primary key and a foreign key, without these combination, we can't join any two table. We can make the union all of these two table, but maybe it make more complex it, or it increase the runtime complexity. Okay, so simply we make our a case statement as a grade, so that we use and manipulate it anywhere anytime. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video.